Hey, what are you doing?
Some colleagues asking me pharmacological questions and I want to answer them.
That seemed nice from you helping your friends. Let me see. Here it's someone asking you about the estrogen that taken orally. So what's your response?
That's easy, I'll text to him right away. My answer is estrogen gluconate.
Wow, that's new question here about what can reduce the action of digoxin.
Let's see. Yep, its answer is hyperthyroidism.
Oh, I know this. Let me respond at this question. It asks about the one used in ventricular arrhythmia with heart block. It's procainamide.
Do you know this? It's asking about the process requires CYP 450.
Sure, it's oxidation. Try to answer this. Gums are used in tabulating primarily is.
I know it as binding agents.
Well, enough for today. Thanks, Dweez. See you soon.
Yeah, as you said. I hope you like our video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye.
Bye.